So, left the GoPro at home, a fucking mistake, but took the harness off the engine. Yeah, fucking hella fucking stupid ass shit on there. Clips to hold it in, wired all the way underneath the fucking motor, all the shit. I don't know if you ain't ever did an LS swap or even fucked with an LS motor before. Now you know. You got that shit that goes all the way around, goes underneath, and then it comes back up through here, and it connects there, comes out here, and then you got the whole fucking shit, some shebang all over the fucking place. But yeah, so I'm not building the motor right now or anything like that. All I'm doing is freshening up pretty much. The truck that I got it out of, it was an 06 Denali. It had 235,000 miles. It came from the fucking auction. Motherfucker ran perfect. I drove it, I'm gonna say probably about an hour and a half fucking pushing it. I had it, my girl was driving my BMW, and just on the freeway, just fucking pushing. I didn't know the trucks had that much fucking power. I mean, it was fucking surprising for a big ass truck like that. So I figured in the box it should do, you know what I'm saying, a little better than a regular fucking 305 or 350 would do. So the truck had 235,000 miles on it, ran like fucking butter. I mean, no ticking, no knocking, no nothing. But I want to clean it up before I put it in. I don't want all this shit looking all the way it does right now. Like I said, it ran fucking perfect. Once this motherfucker blows up or something like that, then I'll go ahead and fucking, you know what I mean, rebuild the fuck out of it. Probably fucking Pro Chargers or something like that. Yeah, so fucking valve cover gaskets. I'm gonna change the timing chain, change the fucking oil pan, the oil pump. Water pump seems like it's fucking pretty new. So pretty much just clean this whole motherfucker up. Get a couple things painted on it so when it goes on in the fucking car, it's sitting in there nice and clean, you know. Keeping the fucking the stock intake. I've heard that the stock intakes make more torque and shit. You know, it's set up for a truck motor, truck cam, everything. It's set up for this fucking motor just the way it came. I guess when you start fucking with shit, that's how you start throwing numbers off and shit. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna leave it how it is. When I build it, then I'll fucking I'll get all the way into it. We got this thing over here, little small block 400. I got another Caprice that this one's gonna be going into. So I'm gonna, once I get done with this, I'm gonna start ripping this motherfucker apart. I'm gonna go through it and regasket the whole motor, new head gaskets, all the shit, just for this one. It seems like it was sitting for a while. Came out of a 71 Impala. So I'm gonna change distributor, HEI, all the shit. Intake is coming off. Got brand new intake and cover for it. Yeah, just a stock 400. Keep it like that and call it a fucking day. But yeah, like I said, I forgot the fucking GoPro, so I'm using my phone right now. I guess once I get further into it, I'll give you guys another update.